The biggest and the massive warehouse sale is back in Cebu. And this is Price Blowout Warehouse Sale featuring the amazing brands of Babson, Petrol, Stylistic by Mr. Lee, and RRJ. And grabe na lang jud kabagsak presyo diri sa Price Blowout Warehouse Sale, and price starts at 50 pesos. Sama aning blouse from Stylistic Mr. Lee from 699 pesos, 50 pesos na lang. Babson shirt na from 699 pesos, tag 50 pesos na lang. Petrol shirt na from 699 pesos, 50 pesos na lang. Ug naapay laing daghan na statement shirts for men na tag 150 pesos na lang. Grabe ka sulit ug grabe ka barato na lang diri sa Price Blowout Warehouse Sale, and up to 70% off sale. And kaning tanan imo na jud mo palit and mabisita diri sa City Mall and Bacalso branch, and they are open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and magsugod ang Price Blowout Warehouse Sale tomorrow, June 26 until July 10, 2026. Magkita-kita ta ninyo diri sa City Mall and Bacalso branch for Price Blowout Warehouse Sale, and salamat sa pagtan-aw.